How to improve demand generation performance. Okay, this is one of the recent question I got. Okay, I'm running a demand generation Google ads, video and image. One is prospecting, second is remarketing, goal is conversion. PR good impressions. Okay, PR means prospecting campaign, but zero conversion. Remarketing low CTR, zero conversions. Okay, conversion tracking is fine. Creative looks good, fine. Landing page is fine. Targeting PR and RMKT audience separately. How to improve the performance? Please help me out. Okay, so if you are running a demand generation campaign and actually seeing zero conversions, so okay, so the first thing I think maybe my question is, and that may be out of the box, is your website funnel fine? Their website funnel and checkout procedure is fine. Okay, it may sound a weak question, but believe me, with the fun of often we receive the query, and when I try to discuss in detail, I found that the client lead form is having error, the website is having error. So I think that it's better to go through this. Okay, this is not the whole strategy I'm going to explain, but this I think is a part I'm trying to run. Okay, for those who don't know, let's say this is one of our campaign, and around these are demand generation campaigns. Okay, so you can see around over here, these are demand generation campaigns. So these are now different, and when you're trying to run demand generation, you are targeting through YouTube videos, shorts, in video ads, through their discovery ads, and through their Gmail ads. So you are targeting three aspects through it, and the discovery AI is itself an AI tool to discover how the website performing. But my opinion is, one thing I like to look over here is target segmenting. Okay, what people do is they create a single ad group um for everything, which I think is not a good idea. I think that even for YouTube, create for YouTube, like let's say in video ads, streams, create a separate ad group. Okay, this helps in order to figure out. Second thing is, because you see that creative looks good, good impression CTR, but zero conversion, it means that the intent is not working fine. So I will still again work on my creatives again. So I will also work on my creatives again, because with the display, when you're trying to target YouTube and other places where the video content is the main thing, and you have an option of displaying image or videos, I think that your creative plays a role over here. So I will recheck if it's good if I compare with my competitors. And as far as your remarketing campaign is concerned, I think that with remarketing campaign, turning off optimized targeting, turn it off for some time. Let it gather the data, because it will be too restrictive if you have turned on the optimized targeting. So they will not go out of the target list. So I think that you need to try this. And let's say going in the settings, there are a few things I can see more in demand generation campaign to figure out more ideas on how you can optimize your demand generation campaign. So look around over here for the GMCs. Look around, your goal should be conversions, or I think the clicks is fine for the new campaigns, but later on you need to move to the conversions. But have you tried to do it at the start without getting conversions? Can cause issue as well. With if you have zero conversions at all and you are targeting with conversions, it will not generate sales. You have to go with the clicks as well. First of all, work on your locations, languages. This can help you in figuring out as well. So yeah, go with these things. Try differentiating between different ad groups for each channel. This can also help you in figuring out. This was what the optimized targeting I was saying, that you need to turn it off in your retargeting campaign. Just follow these strategies, and this may help you to improve your demand generation campaign performance. Yeah, I hope this answers your question query. And if you need a professional help with Google Ads audit management services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Our company name is aarswebs.com, and I will love to help with you and sort around your issues as a Google partner company. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.